Next thing I want to talk about is a tank bag. Now, for years I shied away from tank bags. I only ever did day trips. Couldn't see any point in having one. Just thought they'd be in the way. Now I couldn't be without one. Every ride out. This is the Enduristan Sandstorm 4S. This fastens around the frame with a zip tie. It allows you to unclip it. These are elasticated, so you can move this down, keep it nice and tight. It stops it from moving around. To take it off, four clips, and that's it. You can put this into here, and that acts like a strap on a bag, so you can carry it around. You can't do it with this one, and this means that the straps have always got to be fitted the correct way. If you undo these Velcro strips here, and this one, these three, it extends. Lifts up by about 3 inch, 2 inch at the front, 3 inch at the back, so you can get more stuff in. This is a map pocket or a tablet pocket. You put your mobile phone in there. Velcro's on top, and there's a water resistant cable pass through. Waterproof zip. Open it up, you got another pocket here where you can put your cables, your phone, your wallet. I've just got a multi-tool. You get a divider should you wish to use it. And what I keep in this is my wife's handbag, my wallet, and some of my camera equipment, GoPros, Bluetooth mic, things like that. Because it's red, it's easy to see things. Got a little tool here for locking the Garmin onto the powered mount. 2 waterproof zip pulls. Fasten these up if you're not using them, if you're not extending the tank bag. If you want to fill up with fuel, just undo those two. Move it out of the way so you can fill up. Because these are elasticated, really easy to pull it up. Chuck that in. Doesn't move. Fantastic bit of kit. And being Enduristan, it's going to last years. Just give you a close-up of these fixings here, because these can stay on the bike even if the tank bag isn't on. So you just pop those off, and if you want to stop these flapping around, you can clip those together. Obviously it's a lot easier with 2 hands. And it wraps around the frame. And then you can just fasten it back up. Close up of the Lomo bags. So I said you could put a phone or a tablet in here. This is an 8-inch tablet. It's a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5. Great if you want navigation, particularly if you're using it as a road book. Nice and dry, and it's got the cable charging port, so you can take it down to something like this, keep it topped up.